Horses out, arigato. Pacific in Shakti is running by the Heritage, then followed by Malbatan Island. A Sentinel node moving up now. Ari outside is California King. Shakti, arigato, Ari outside Malbatan Island together with Sentinel node. Ari outside, moving up now to take third is California King with Shakti, the leader by a length. Arigato in second. Here comes California King now to take second. It's still Shakti, California King. Now Ari outside. Arigato is by the rail now. The lead belongs to the favorite California King over Shakti. Arigato is running by the rail third. Malbatan Island, Heritage and Sentinel node. The lead now belongs to the King, California King by Hapaleng. Shakti draws back in second. Arigato, California King now by a length and a half. Shakti still in second. Arigato and Malbatan Island, and down to the finish. It is still California King in hands and heels by about 5 lengths now. Heritage to take second, and finally California King. Second is Heritage. Shakti, Malbatan Island.